Hey y'all, it's Dream from Where the Yokels Grow. Welcome back to my channel where we do all things gardening and decorating through the seasons. So if you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, I am so glad to see you again. In today's video, we are back in the garden. We're back outside in the back beds, and we are going to be planting some celery starts and some more turnips. And these are the Market Express turnips, 30 to 40 days, so you could actually succession plant these if you wanted to. But we're going to talk about celery starts. If you all have been here for a while, you've been watching these videos, I started celery seeds about a month and a half ago, but none, and I mean none, of those seeds germinated. So I'd had those packets of seeds since, I want to say, last fall, so a year. So obviously, and they were two different varieties, so obviously the seeds are no good now, but we'll find other ways to use them. So I ended up having to go to one of my local nurseries and get celery starts. Unfortunately, they only had 3 of the 6-pack of celery starts, so I only have 9 celery, which is fine. That'll be enough for celery juice, and it'll get us through the holidays, you know, for our different trays and stuff that we create at Yule and at Christmas. But it is a little disappointing, but such is being a gardener. So again, welcome back to the channel. We've already done some maintenance to the bed itself. We kind of cleaned it up, and then we kind of tilled it a little bit with a little 3-fork tiller. Well, it's not a real tiller, it's just a little 3-fork, and we kind of just loosened the soil. Also put in some biotone and some bat guano for nitrogen, and the biotone is Espona's biotone, and it's a root starter stimulator, and that's more for these than it is for the turnips. But nitrogen, celeries are heavy feeders and they thrive on nitrogen, as do turnips. So we wanted a rich soil for them to go into. So it'll be probably close to the December like it was last year when we harvest these. So let's get planting them, and then we'll come back and talk about all of them. Okay, y'all, let's talk about what I did. You saw me plant all the celery. There are 12 celery stalks in all. And then on the video, you would have seen me come down the sides and then in between again, and then down the sides of the celery where I planted the turnips. Now, I know a lot of people with you would probably say, well, you're planting them close together, and that would almost be true if these weren't small turnips that are ready in 30 to 40 days, and my celery takes 130 to 140 days before it reaches maturity and size enough, you know, to be harvested. So these turnips will be long gone before that celery ever reaches that size. And so that's why I did that, because I want to utilize all of the space that I can in my garden beds as much as possible. So if I have things that grow vertically, guaranteed I'm going to grow things underneath those vertical items. Vertical vegetables. Okay, y'all, I had to move my camera over here to the shade because it's heating up on me. It's going to be about 96 degrees, but we're expecting a lot of rain tomorrow, which is going to drop the temperatures back down into the 80s. And these plants are absolutely going to love that because they're going to get rain and cooler weather, which they love a lot. So again, if you're new here and you found some value, give us a like and a thumbs up. It helps our channel to grow, and don't forget to subscribe if you like seeing videos like this. We do gardening videos and decorating. That decorating is going to take us through the off season of gardening. Like and subscribe, and if you're returning, please give us a thumbs up if you like what you saw. Till I see you in the next video, you take care of yourselves, and more importantly, no matter how you do it, keep growing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.